Complex fractions. So rational expressions are fractions, but sometimes we'll have fractions within the fraction. And in that case, if the numerator has a fraction in it or the denominator has a fraction in it or both, then we're going to have what's called a complex fraction. For instance, if we have 2 over x plus x over x plus 2 all divided by 5 over x plus 7x over x plus 2. This is an example of a complex fraction because it has a fraction within a fraction. Now, we could combine these by getting a least common denominator in the numerator, adding that together, combining the numerator into a single expression, doing the same thing with the denominator, and then once it's a single fraction over a single fraction, then we can multiply by the reciprocal. But there's a much easier way to deal with complex fractions, and this involves the LCD. And so what we're going to be looking for is the LCD over the entire fraction, and in this case our LCD is x plus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numerator of the fraction and the denominator of the fraction by this value. And since we're doing the same thing to top and bottom, it's not going to change anything. And in effect, what we end up doing is we multiply every single term by this least common denominator. Okay, and again, because we're doing top and bottom, we're not changing anything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify, and because we multiplied by the LCD, all of our denominators are going to cancel. So this x cancels with that x, and that's going to leave us with 2x plus 2. The x plus 2's cancel here, which leaves us x squared. On the bottom, those x's cancel, leaving us with 5x plus 2, and the x plus 2's cancel, leaving us with 7x squared. And in that way, we've gotten rid of all of our denominators within the fraction, and so now this is simplified quite a bit. The only thing we have left is to distribute and simplify the numerator and denominator. So we have 2x plus 4 plus x squared, 5x plus 10 plus 7x squared. And generally, we like to write things in descending order. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 4 over 7x squared plus 5x plus 10. And so in this way, we can simplify complex fractions. Again, find the LCD of all of our denominators and then multiply each term by that. And what ends up happening is all of our denominators end up canceling out. And so then we're just left with a single polynomial over a single polynomial.